The blogspot will have all the languages. You can see I am using Gujarati on the left hand side top corner. Now when I scroll down, you can see the language is written in Gujarati. In the right hand side there is 3 dots. You have to press that. Then you can come down in this section. You can see the profile. Then there is translation. See, Gujarati is written there. You have to click there. You can see lot of languages. You can choose your language you want to see. The website from Telugu, Tamil. I am putting now Bengali. All the alphabets and everything will change to Bengali. See, recipe Suchi. It is showing recipe index as recipe Suchi, and you can see all the recipe has been converted into the mother tongue of my mother tongue. That is Mulo Saag Bhaja, Methi Saag. You can read everything in the Bengali language. So this is the beauty of this blogspot. You can translate all your the way you want to see in your own mother tongue, and let it be Bengali or Uriya or Nepali or Hakkan language or Spanish, English, any language. You can just click it and use it as your reference point of use of this pithe recipe. So thank you for watching jayasreekadaikatha, and here this is Chef Bhuvan bidding you bye for now. Thank you. See you in another video.